What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to set the time on a SkyScan atomic clock. So when you flip this thing over, you can actually see a bunch of settings right here. Today is actually the day we're supposed to spring forward. So see this option right here. We can flip it over so that we can set the time. You have the time zones right here: Eastern, Central, Mountain, Pacific. So you can flip that around to, get what you need. Right now I'm on Eastern. You have the option to change the month or the hour and the date and the minute right here. So once we flip it around, I'll start hitting the date and the minute and you'll see the date and minute change. So that's date and minute. Then I'll hit this one just to flip it up 1 hour. There you go. We'll flip it back around, push it back to lock. And now you have a fully set atomic clock, SkyScan.